Have you ever wondered how to get started with trading in the stock market? Well, you're not alone. Millions around the globe share this curiosity. So, step into the world of trading where fortunes are made and dreams are realized. First, let's grapple with the elephant in the room. What is stock trading? In layman's terms, it's buying and selling shares in publicly traded companies. The stock market is a sea of opportunity where careful navigation can lead to prosperity. Now, the journey to becoming a successful trader begins with education. Understand the stock market, its mechanisms, and the forces that drive it. Books, online courses, and financial news media are your best friends here. Knowledge, after all, is power. Following education, it's time to set clear, attainable goals. What do you want to achieve with your trading? Are you looking for a steady income or hoping to secure your future retirement? The answers to these questions will guide your trading strategy. Next, you'll need to choose a broker. This is a crucial step, as your broker will be the bridge between you and the stock market. Look for a broker who is reputable, regulated, and offers a user-friendly trading platform. Once you have a broker, it's time to analyze the market. Use both technical and fundamental analysis to make informed decisions. Technical analysis focuses on statistics generated by market activity, such as past prices and volume. Fundamental analysis, on the other hand, looks at a company's financials and industry position. Now that you're armed with knowledge and analysis, you're ready to place your first trade. But remember, start small. The stock market is unpredictable, and it's wise to minimize risk where you can. And finally, keep emotions at bay. The stock market is not a place for emotional decisions. Stick to your plan and strategy. Patience and discipline will carry you a long way. In conclusion, starting your journey in stock trading involves education, setting goals, choosing a broker, analyzing the market, starting small, and keeping emotions in check. Remember, every trader started where you are right now. They faced the same questions, the same doubts, but by following these steps, they were able to navigate their way to success, and you can too. So, step into the world of trading with confidence. The stock market is waiting, and who knows, the next big success story might just be yours.